Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos. You've probably seen it growing in meadows, but did you know this common plant is a powerhouse? Today, we're diving into an ancient herb used for centuries for its profound healing properties, red clover. From helping to balance hormones during menopause to supporting cardiovascular health by improving circulation, and even contributing to stronger bones, red clover is one of nature's most versatile gifts. So, if you're curious about how this humble flower can make a big difference in your wellness journey, stay tuned. And if you find this information valuable, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing, and clicking that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly health tips. Red clover, scientifically known as Trifolium pratense, is a flowering plant in the legume family, easily recognized by its distinctive pinkish-red blossoms. Its history is rich. Traditionally, it was used in herbal medicine across Europe, Asia, and North America as a blood purifier and for treating respiratory issues and chronic skin conditions. Its bright red-pink blossoms aren't just beautiful, they're packed with powerful compounds called isoflavones. These are a type of phytoestrogen, plant-based compounds that can gently mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Because of this unique ability, modern research is confirming what traditional healers knew. Red clover has gained a reputation as one of the most effective herbs for supporting women's health, particularly through hormone balance and age-related changes. But its benefits go far beyond that, touching on everything from promoting healthier skin to supporting our body's natural detoxification processes. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore all of these benefits in detail. So why is red clover important for the body? The plant's isoflavones help regulate estrogen activity, which is vital for supporting healthy bone density, protecting heart health, balancing mood and mental clarity, supporting skin and hair health. It also contains vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and B vitamins, all of which play key roles in maintaining optimal energy, immunity, and resilience as we age. Let's dive into the incredible health benefits of red clover. This humble flower has a rich history in traditional medicine, and modern science is now confirming many of its long-held uses. First, hormonal balance and menopause support. Red clover is rich in isoflavones, plant-based compounds that gently mimic estrogen. Studies show this can significantly reduce hot flashes and night sweats. Many women also report improved mood and more restful sleep, making it a game-changer for navigating this transition with greater comfort and ease. Next, bone health. That same decline in estrogen can weaken bones over time. The isoflavones in red clover play a dual role by helping to slow this process of bone loss. This preserves bone density and strength, offering proactive support to reduce the long-term risk of osteoporosis. Moving on to heart health. Research shows red clover is a fantastic ally for your cardiovascular system. It helps improve arterial flexibility, which is vital for healthy blood pressure, and supports better circulation. It may also help lower bad LDL cholesterol, contributing to a significant reduction in overall cardiovascular risk. And what about skin health? Its powerful antioxidant properties fight the free radical damage that accelerates aging. Plus, its estrogen-like activity is known to boost collagen production. This helps keep skin firm and hydrated, maintaining a more youthful-looking complexion from the inside out. Finally, detoxification and immune support. Historically, red clover was revered as a blood purifier. In modern terms, this means it supports the body's natural detoxification pathways, like the lymphatic system and liver. By helping to cleanse the system, it frees up your immune system to work more efficiently. While red clover isn't something your body naturally produces, lacking the unique isoflavones and compounds it provides can create a nutritional gap. This can lead to several noticeable health declines, especially during key life transitions like menopause. Let's look at what those signs are. First, weak bones and an increased osteoporosis risk. The phytoestrogens in red clover can help mimic estrogen's protective effects on our skeleton, which is crucial for maintaining bone density as we age. Hot flashes, mood swings, and menopausal discomfort, increased cholesterol and poor circulation, and premature skin aging and lack of vitality. These issues highlight why supplementing with herbs like red clover can be so important. It's about proactively supporting your body's changing needs as we get older. So how can you get these benefits? Red clover is available in several forms. Tea, made from its dried blossoms, offering a gentle, daily way to support health. Extracts and tinctures, concentrated for targeted benefits. Capsules or supplements, convenient for consistent daily use, especially for older adults or anyone seeking hormone and bone support. For the best results, choose a trusted, high-quality source. Look for supplements with standardized isoflavone content, which ensures potency. While dosages vary, many studies use 40 to 80 milligrams of isoflavones daily. As always, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. I've included a recommended supplement link in the comments below this video. As we age, our bodies produce fewer hormones, and our nutritional absorption slows down. That's where Red Clover supplementation becomes so valuable. It bridges the gap, helping maintain balance, vitality, and long-term health. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of Red Clover and why you need it in your wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healing Supplements videos, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried Red Clover for your health? Share your experiences or questions in the comments section below. Remember, the trusted source for Red Clover supplements is linked in the comments. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.